Tech career is a well-paid industry, but on the other hand, very oversaturated as well. You probably heard of AI will replace this, AI will replace that. With AI now writing code and play an impactful role in every industry, is learning to code in 2025 still worth it at all? Hi, Mozzarella Dev here. It's been a while. Let's break this down quickly. Why coding still matters and what I've learned as a developer in 2024 that might help you decide. Now, if you're thinking about learning to code or you're just starting out, the first thing you should notice is that the bar is higher than ever. And I'm not just talking about programming languages or frameworks. The standards of what companies expect from candidates have evolved drastically. Not to mention the rise of AI-powered tools that can automate a lot of tasks that developers used to spend hours on. AI is impressive, but coding is still more than writing function. It's more about problem solving, understanding how technology works, breaking down complex issues, and finding elegant solutions. The apps, tools, and automation we rely on, yes, all are still built with code by us, developer or software engineer. From a direct experience of career shifter, the coding journey in 2025 can feel like a gamble. Breaking into the industry is harder than what it has been. You may ask, why is that? If you're already in the field, the uprising of AI and your skills are absolutely evolving with each other. You can utilize and get going very quickly with your everyday tasks flawlessly. But for beginners, the challenge of getting into a competitive industry might feel like an added obstacle. As the barrier of newcomer became thicker because of the so-called AI, there will be hard times for people of entry level, as they are now using the AI tool to do a simple task that they used to hire new grad for it. On top of that, companies are raising the stakes. They are looking for candidates with experience, deep knowledge in multiple areas and strong grasp of capability of what they can do. So, is coding still worth it in 2025? The answer is yes. It's still one of the most valuable skills you can learn. But after all, the answer is still solely depends on you. Competitive, sure, but it's not ever out of reach. If you're serious, consistent, and passionate about what you can utilize with how you code, it can still be one of the most rewarding fields to get into. It's not like you are going to learn to code today and apply for a job tomorrow. A lot of things will change by the time in some way. The world is constantly evolving in a way you can predict. You'll be amazed at what you are capable of once you take the first step. So, if you are determined and ready to learn, there's never been a better time to step up your game and dive into coding in this moment. Stay curious, stay consistent, and be ready to embrace the change tech is going through. Thanks for watching, and until then, have a nice happy new year and see you next time. Bye.